Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to solve the brainstorming activity A5 in 4.3 around the world in 80 days. This activity is based on the language. The first activity in A5 is elaborate the following quotes in the light of the extract of the novel Around the World in 80 Days. And two quotes are given here. So we will elaborate the quotes one by one. First quote is quitters never win and winners never quit. So write down the elaboration. Even though Fogg loses time due to being wrongly arrested and imprisoned, he makes every effort to reach London on time. He arranges a special train from Liverpool. He does not quit when he feels that there is some faint chance of win. Later, when Passepartout discovers that it is Saturday and not Sunday, and that there is still a chance of winning, Fogg puts aside everything and rushes headlong to the Reform Club. He does not give up in spite of all the obstacles and comes out a winner, both in winning the bet and the love of a good woman. Second quote, time is the only solution to problem. And here is the elaboration. The most important theme in the extract is time. Fogg's wager is a race against time, and his adventures illustrate repeatedly that time is fickle and either works for or against them. In many cases, time foils their plans. When the delays built up and the train to Liverpool leaves without them. In the end, though, it is time that helps wins Fogg his bet, since they gain a day when crossing the international deadline. The ultimate message is that no one can control time. Time will work the way it wants to work, and humans are at its mercy. Time is the only solution to problems. Then move on to second activity. Following are some dialogues of the major characters in the extract. Find out who the speaker is, his or her tone, style, significance, etc. of the dialogue. So, in a given table, in first column, certain dialogues are there. In second column, name of the speaker. In third column, who said to whom. And in fourth column, tone, style, significance, etc. we have to write. So consider the first dialogue. Why do you not curse me? It was my fault that. The speaker of this dialogue is Passepartout. Then we will see who said to whom. Passepartout to Phileas Fogg. This dialogue is said by Passepartout to Phileas Fogg. Then we will see the tone, style, and significance of the dialogue, and that is repentant, thinks himself responsible for not telling Phileas Fogg about Fix earlier. Second dialogue. If Phileas Fogg had come in the 7:23 train, he would have got here by this time. We can therefore regard the bet as won. The speaker of this dialogue is Andrew Stuart, who said to whom. This dialogue is said by Andrew Stuart to the other antagonists at the Reform Club. In tone, style, significance of this dialogue, that is nervous and anxious. The man with won Fogg had the wager were circulating whether he would still meet the deadline. Third dialogue. Sir, forgive me a most unfortunate resemblance. A robber arrested 3 days ago. You are free. The speaker of this dialogue is Detective Fix, who said to whom. This dialogue is said by Detective Fix to Phileas Fogg. Tone, style, significance. Repentant and apologetic for arresting Phileas Fogg when he was innocent. Fourth dialogue. Will you pardon me for bringing you to England? And the speaker of this dialogue is Phileas Fogg, who said to whom. This dialogue is said by Phileas Fogg to Oda. Actually, it is asked by Phileas Fogg to Oda. Tone, style, significance, etc. Proud and honorable, asking pardon from Oda for bringing her to England on false hopes when he has become poor. The last dialogue. It is for me to ask that question. You were ruined, but now you are rich again. The speaker of this dialogue is Oda, who said to whom. This dialogue is said by Oda to Phileas Fogg. Tone, style, significance. Honorable and dignified. Says this after Fogg wins the wager, and he asks her whether she still wanted to marry him. This is the activity which is based on language we have completed here. If you want to watch the similar videos, subscribe our channel. If you want to see more and more videos, press the bell icon button. If you like the video, then hit the like, share among your friend. If you have any query, any problem or reply, write it in comment box. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.